I would like to give you a quick update on the neo.mjs version 4.3 release, which was focusing on button badges as well as including them into tab containers. In general, buttons got some nice effects now, so if I click a button, you will notice an animated tab script as well as a new ripple effect. We can also drag and drop buttons around. You will notice that in case I'm dragging the proxy on top of another tab, the badge will stay in the background. And in case we drag and drop, the tab will always stay inside its boundaries. In case we are dragging the tab header which has the badge, in this case the badge will stay on top. We can reverse the layout sorting directions and still drag and drop will work fine. We can also change the tab index using a control rather than clicking on a tab header. So this makes no difference. What I would like to show you now is in case we are changing the tab bar positions, and I actually am using the keyboard navigation to just demo how quick it is. So on the right side, you will also notice that the badges stay on the right spot. And this is also really fast. Let's try it on the left-hand side. Alright, this also looks good. So in case we are using a very long text, drag and drop will also honor this. And in case we are inspecting the DOM, so this is actually one of the nice parts in Neo, that everything which is no longer used will get removed from the DOM. So if you look close, we have this button text span. In that case, I remove the text here, it will get removed from the DOM. And it's the same for the button glyph or icon class, so you can actually easily change it, and in case we are just removing it or changing it to something different, this will work fine. This is also working for the badges. If we inspect this one, you will notice that we have the button badge here, and in case I remove the text, this will get removed from the DOM. So obviously I'm not a designer, so you can easily style the tab containers and buttons with CSS variables or SCSS, so this is also pretty easy, so you can easily create a new theme to style it any way you like to. And this is pretty much it for this update. In case you are not familiar with the Neo project in general, I would recommend some other examples to take a look into. So for example, this helix is really impressive, and also can show easily how many DOM updates you can trigger per second, which can be really a lot. So you also have keyboard navigation in here, and you can just move those guys around. Or you could explore other examples. So the gallery is actually something I would really love to see in e-commerce apps or shops. So this is a pretty cool way to display your items. Let's see, we can also say we change the ordering, and if you look close, you will see that the selected item will always stay in focus. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I can recommend you to join the Neo Slack channel in case you want to get up to speed. So What you might have not noticed, everything we are showing here is really multi-threaded, so the entire app and your components live within an application worker. So to show this, we can just go here, and if you look close, you will see that we have the app worker, and inside here we have our example component code. So this is really living inside a web worker, and this is one of the main reasons why Neo is this fast, because the main thread will only take care of the rendering, and everything we do on the application side will stay in its own realm, and whatever you do, it cannot affect the rendering performance. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.